नमस्ते। आज हम लोग करेंगे मेकअप फॉर नो रीज़न एट ऑल। हेलो, आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो because it's a rainy season and nobody likes to use a lot of makeup, so I'm gonna do a no foundation glowy makeup look. Inspiration Mriga Rai. She uses no foundation. So let's start. Before that, if you're not following me on Instagram, that this is not nice behavior, okay? Come on, just go follow me there. So yeah, before starting the video, please do subscribe to the channel if you're new. There's a subscribe button there and hit the bell icon for notifications. So let's just start with the makeup. Put on a hairband, a very neon pink hairband. Arey, how do I look? Beautiful. So firstly we need some serum. This is vitamin C serum, very useful thing. Let's use it. Okay, we are done. So since we are doing a no foundation look, the most important thing is, can't reach, concealer. This is, what is its name? Maybelline Fit Me Concealer 10 Light. इसकी हालत बहुत ख़राब हो रखी है, पता नहीं क्यों. Let's do it. I'm just putting it थोड़ा थोड़ा and some here, some here and here. For the concealer we are using a concealer brush. We are done with concealer, okay? So now the trick here is we are gonna use this Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter before anything, okay? Now let's do the important part, the loose powder. This is Maybelline Fit Me 15 Light. अब तो सबको पता है. You can gift me this. My birthday is in November. Does it look okay? Yes, it does, my dear friends. The next thing that we have to do is, so we are gonna use a little trick to make it look natural. तो अब आई shadow तो लगाना नहीं है because this is a very natural look. टूट गया. This is Wet n Wild color icon bronzer, then something in French. We're gonna use this as eyeshadow. Then we'll take a little bit of the flat eye brush and take some of the bronzer and go under the eye. We are done, my friend, we are done. Let's put some blush, my favorite. This is Lakme Absolute Blush Tools. Some highlight, Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, then something in French again. Where's my brow diff? Oh, then we are gonna use Oh My Brows, my favorite product in the world. We are done with this. Now we are gonna use some kajal. So this is Lakme Iconic Kajal. इसकी क्यों इतनी हालत ख़राब है? मेरे सामान की इतनी हालत क्यों ख़राब है? So now we need to put some mascara. Where's some mascara? This is Color Bar mascara. I love the Maybelline one, but खत्म हो गया. Very nude lipstick. This is the Cool Guy by Masaba. Again, you know it, it's my favorite. So I think we're done. So this is a no foundation, very glowy. You can see how much glowy is it. Let me see it for myself. I can't see without my glasses. Oh, I look beautiful. So you can't even tell there is no foundation. So this was my no foundation glowy makeup look. Very easy, hardly takes 5 minutes to do. If you are not doing any circus act like me, it will hardly take 5 minutes. Oh, I look beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, do try this, and if you try this, please tag me. I would love to see it. So for now, agar video acha laga to do press the like button. You people forget to like the video. Don't do it, please. It takes a lot of effort to make. Please like. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो share it with your friends, your family, everybody. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below to let me know how did you like it. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, signing off.